Let's make this super easy scrunchie. For this we require a rubber band, a 3.5 mm hook and Ganga Olivia yarn. You can use any yarn whichever you have. So to begin we will make a slip knot, place it under the rubber band and start making single crochets. Let's place this tail along with the rubber band so we can secure this end. We will pull the yarn from under the rubber band and make a single crochet. We will repeat the same till we complete and cover the entire rubber band. You might notice a lot of gap in between while making single crochet. You just have to push and it's all good. After covering the entire rubber band with single crochet, we will make a slip stitch to complete this row. Now to move on to the next row, we will be adding 2 chains and make 2 double crochet in the same space. Here we are counting these 2 chains as first double crochet. So this will make 3 double crochets in one chain space. We will repeat the same in all the chains, that is 3 double crochet in one chain space, and complete the row. We have completed half rubber band and this is how it looks. You can already see the ruffles. So let's complete the entire band and make a slip stitch at the end. After completing this row, you can stop here if you like. I want to add another row, so I will continue and make 2 chains and a double crochet in the same space. That is 2 double crochet in one chain space. Here again we are counting the 2 chains as first double crochet. In the same way, we are going to cover all the chains. This is how it looks after we are half done. Let's complete and make a slip stitch to complete this round. Again, if you want to end here, you can definitely end, but again I am going to change the color and add one round of single crochet to make it look more attractive. Make a slip stitch to complete this round. Add a chain and cut the yarn. Now with this open end, we will weave in the ends to hide the tail and to secure the ends. Thank you for watching. Like, share and subscribe for more such cute and beginner friendly projects. Thank you.